Hey, welcome back to MarineMax Lake Norman. My name is Leo Johnson, and today you join me in front of a 2026 Yamaha boats AR220. Is one of Yamaha's best sellers. This particular boat is in a familiar color combo, like some other previous colors from Yamaha. You've got the black with the mint green accent stripe, as well as the mint green model designation there. This is a great boat for the whole family. Really nice package here. This one comes on the tandem axle galvanized trailer that you see it with here. That's an upgrade. The AR series boat is also going to come standard with the watersports tower up top. Climbing around back here, this is one of the standout features on the Yamaha jet boats. You've got this huge platform here to hang out, multiple levels of seating with the soft foam flooring, grab handles. You got a central tow point here in addition to the tow point on top of the tower. 4 cup holders back here. Got a lot of space here to hang out. Table mount off to the port side there as well. You get a 4-step telescoping ladder here that comes out in the center, just above your jets. As we step inside this AR220, you'll have a center walkthrough, which is a great setup on this boat. You got flip-up storage compartments here in your backrests. Stepping further inside, we've got the table up right now. This can be stowed away and also mounts out on the swim platform back there. You've got lots of room inside this boat. Wraparound seating for the whole family. You've got the bench off to the port side, which is a hallmark feature here on this AR version of the 220. Nice glove box here behind your backrest. You got a wireless charger, lots of cup holders for your passengers throughout as well. Off to the starboard side, the boat's going to come with an igloo cooler as standard, as well as some storage there under that rear seat. Here at the helm, you've got a flip-up bolster on the main chair, as well as a tilt base for your steering wheel, wireless phone charger, additional cup holder for your driver, some switching here and some instruments here from Yamaha. Stereo head unit, you got your no-wake cruise assist, and then those twin throttles controlling the 3-cylinder TR-1 Yamaha jet engines. Walking forward, windshield flips over here, and in combination with the block-off door, you can turn this into a nice, comfortable place. We've got the bow filler cushion in up here at the moment. As you see, fills this space in really nicely. This is removable, and you've got access to your bow boarding ladder, which is under the hatch up forward. That's been a quick video overview of this in-stock 2026 Yamaha Boats AR220. If you have any questions on this boat or any others, give us a call, check us out at MarineMax.com, or stop by today for more info. Thanks for watching.